How to convert Spaylater to ShopeePay. So if you want to convert your Spaylater to ShopeePay, then just follow the steps. So there are two ways to pay. First one is you can scan the merchant's QR code. So you need to look for a blue, yellow, or red logo in the QR code or tenth card as below, which is right here. And you need to go with your ShopeePay wallet, tap on scan, and scan the merchant's QR code located near the cashier. Input the amount and then tap on next. So scan the QR code, input the amount or enter the pay amount and go with next and select the Spaylater and go with pay now, enter your ShopeePay PIN and that's it. Or the second way is you can get the ShopeePay merchants to scan your QR code. First is you need to select the QR code or branch and then enter the ShopeePay PIN and select the payment, and after that select the Spaylater or show the QR code option. So in this way you'll be able to use your Spaylater for your scan or to pay the ShopeePay payments. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.